What's going on, guys? Welcome back. In this video, we are going to obfuscate Python program, adding time limit, setting execution limit, and finally we're going to obfuscation limit, and finally we're going to obfuscate Python script into an image. So let's get right into it. As you see, we have this pretty cute cat image file here. Its size is around 5 megabytes and it's a 4K image. Let's move image to tic-tac-toe folder. I'll open up the terminal and show you the Python program that we are going to obfuscate. This is the program of tic-tac-toe game created using Raylib library. It's a 2D and 3D game engine. For obfuscation, we need a library called Subdora. We can install it by command pip install Subdora. In order to obfuscate your code, you have to type Subdora -obfuscate, then name of your Python file, and it will create a .mist file with same name as your Python code. If you try to open the .mist file, it's just unreadable binary data. And if you obfuscate same file, you get completely different data every time. I'll move the Python file from the folder. In order to show you that .mist file can run the game without any problem, to run the game, we need to type Subdora --run, the name of .mist file. Our game runs successfully, we can play it. It's completely equivalent to our Python program, but it's obfuscated. With Subdora, we can set the execution limit to our obfuscated program. It makes sure your program not run more than a certain specified number. Here we set the limit to 2 so that our obfuscated program only run twice. This is the first run. This is the second run. Finally, when you try to run it more than twice, it gives you error. Subdora also provides the feature to set the expiry time for your obfuscated code. Let's see this in action. To set the expiry time, you have to use --time and then specify the time. Here I am setting 1 minute.
One minute later.
After 1 minute, the program won't run and throws error. Finally, here we come to see how we can obfuscate the Python program into an image. So let's get right into it. In order to obfuscate Python program into image, you have to just add --img and pass the image file name. Subdora will create a PNG file with same name as your Python program. As you see, we have this tic-tac-toe.png file with same size and same resolution, and they are both same. I am unable to differentiate between the real one and obfuscated one. To run the obfuscated program inside the PNG file, you need to write Subdora-run, then name of the image file. Before showing you the output, it's the right time to subscribe the channel and like the video. Now let's see the output. Currently, this program is running from the PNG file and it's running without any problems. So next time, instead of sharing code, you can share images. Before ending this video, I want to share something about this library. Number one, it supports only images which are greater or equal to full HD resolution. Number two, it won't support older Ubuntu versions like 20.4.